What's up guys? Today just wanted to talk to you real quick about this SHARPAL knife sharpening kit and outdoor tool. This is one of my favorite tools in my kit. I put it in my camping backpack and take it with me pretty much everywhere. It's got so many universal features that you can use and they work great. Right here, you can see there's a diamond sharpener. So this works really good for serrations in a blade. So something like this, if you have some serrations at the bottom, you can really get in there and sharpen each and every one, and you get a really nice edge with it. I find I really like it. On the edge here, you can see you kind of have a rough cut on this side and you have a fine honing edge on this side. You can see they're even labeled 1 and 2, which is really nice. So just run your blade through there a couple times, run your blade through this a couple times, and you'll find, you'll get kind of the balance between these two, but you'll find that you have a nice sharp blade by the end of it. You also get this ferro rod at the end that just pulls out, and you can start a fire with that. It works really nicely. I've started actually quite a few fires with that. Then you also have this whistle at the end, which is really nice. If you're ever in an emergency scenario, nice to have a whistle. I also really like this rubberized piece right here. That's probably my favorite part because it allows you to grip onto this really nicely and then run your knife through there. So really cool little tool. I would say it's kind of essential for any kind of camping kit that you could have, but holds up really well. I would highly recommend it. As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.